small mistakes, Coach, man. What the hell wrong with you, man? God, man.
So what happened though?
Man, so look, man, no shit. There I was putting this motherfucker together, putting the welds on there. So I told me to tack it and go test it. I'm like, nah, I know where it's at. That's what I marked it for. Well, I didn't mark the one side because I knew it was just a straight butt-up. Well, that was the side that needed to go one direction and I had it going the other way. So I had to cut my pretty weld apart. I mean, it's not as pretty as schmuck build over here, but you know what I'm saying? I had to cut the motherfucker apart. So now, gotta redo it, reline it up, because it did pull a little bit. Fuck you, socket. Hold on. I'll put this bitch in here like this. And get the redo, cut the lines. Like that. Touch it. It's a little bit warm. Shoot.
I don't know where you put the metal at.
No, it's okay. It's still fucking hot. That's why I love aluminum. Love aluminum. Love fucking aluminum. Cool. Alright, still lines up. Cool. Phew.
How about you put the gloves on, my brother?
Because I can't feel any bolts with the gloves.
Everyone always says that. I won't put gloves on.
Yeah, they're gonna take them off because
you can't touch. You can't feel it.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one I have to mark it just because
It's just Sharpie.
a little bit off. In my trusty fabrication pocket. Remember, kids, fabricators always have a Sharpie on it. And if they don't, they're wrong. Okay? Remember that.
This is.
Fuck them G.I. Joe.
Solid. It's not a lot of damage.
No.
Just when you start filling it in, it'll be fine.
Shoo!
If not, I'll find that now. While Q's gonna start welding, I'm gonna take this handbrake out because I actually have another one right there. So let's go ahead and get used to this. She's loose. Previous owner did not like this handbrake, and when he told me it wasn't that great, I was like, well, F it, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. Yeah, so here's the KLM bracket that you have to purchase. Essentially, it makes it so you can swivel the handbrake whichever way you want. I purchased this at, I think it was World Cup 2. So I went ahead and started opening it so I can show you guys in the car what it looks like. So trying to see. Trying to see how this mounts. If it does one over there, one right there, that looks kind of like, to me, what it would be doing. Let's see what we got. And here's the KLM handbrake I got. Needs to be clean, but pretty clean. I was playing around with this, like how does this mount on this, right? Holes be way out here, and it's gonna work. So it's supposed to be like this around the shifter. So I'm like, huh? Well, what is this? You know, right? Well, the previous owner had it welded in, so he only welded one side, so I'm gonna have to cut this slam off in order to put the KLM piece, because this is covering the shifter holes for that. And there we have it. So we can put the bolts where they need to be. Pretty flush. I'll probably try to file it down a little bit more. But trash. Probably what? Some bracket somebody made. And it did its job, I guess.
Hello. We're back again. Today we are making the pipes. By today I mean tonight. It's the same day as yesterday. Shit. Shit. I make the fit up. Okay. Wait. We're back. A mad science laboratory. Okay. Not being a perfectionist, all my fabrication friends will be like, "You're a piece of shit. Why do you suck so bad?" You know what? I just make it work. That's all. I don't need it to be extravagantly pretty.
What is that? What powder coating's for?
Yes. More specifically, wrinkle powder coat.
Yeah, wrinkle makes it look real good. It makes every weld look really good.
Oh man. I mean, like, they don't understand a lot of the time with this stuff. Go like these. Go like these. I took the O-rings out, so don't be sitting there like, why is it so floppy? Because I took the O-rings out. Okay. I like this one a little bit better, right? A little bit. Alright. The way these work, if you're not familiar with them, they have an O-ring that goes in the grooves on both ends of the flanges. And under boost, it pushes out, and that keeps it from, it's self-sealing basically, that pressure pushes it. It's just like the way your piston rings work. Some of them, like the ones I run, which is this excess power Pegasus type, they allow a little bit more up, down, left, right articulation. This one, not so much. But with the Pegasus ones, I'll say this, they are cheap. They are China made, so I had to just get better O-rings for them. That was it. After that, they've been pressure tested to 40 pounds. So I know these vibrant ones are going to be good too. Right, Coach?
I hope so, bro. They're expensive, so how much?
Yeah, they are expensive.
Everything expensive doesn't mean that they're good, you know what I mean?
They are fucking expensive. That's exactly where I thought it would be. Wait, one of these has an angle too. Which one is it?
That one.
This one. Need to sand this one down some more. It's not quite even. So it'll sit like this.
So we talked about not having a trans in here and some of the issues we might face. So you think about coming up with it straight like that? So, yeah. When you have your right hand, maybe cutting it there and then, like, I don't know, 80-degreeing it into the hole?
Well, I know for certain this end of the trans is, there ain't nothing down here.
Right.
The trans sits below the mount, so long as I'm here, I'm good. I just can't come like this way because it bell houses up.
Right.
So from right here, I should be good, and I should only have to make one cut. I actually got this
like a pie cut,
fucking spot on.
Pie
no,
cut.
that remainder of that pipe right there next to your arm.
Oh, the remainder of this. Yeah, pie cut though, right here. Like cut them off, like yeah.
So now,
tack weld.
Yeah. Trusty dusty fabrication marker. Hello, I need you. I
know. That's what I'm saying.
I need you to what?
Tell me where to put it.
All right, just draw a line straight across.
Right here?
Yep. Try another one. Anywhere. Hold on. My fingers move. Slip it. Okay, connect. Cool. Do yeah, that's good enough. And then this guy.
You tackety welding?
Tackety welding, yes. Easiest fucking boost pipe in the history of boost pipes.
It really?
Yeah.
But I didn't show you guys. Got the brake mounted. The only thing is now is that this line is not long enough. So I'm gonna have to get a fitting to essentially get it there instead of running a new line. It's probably the easiest way to do it. So then with the KLM, you can make it move wherever you want. Yeah. It can swing out. So I've swung it out this way. So when I'm in the seat, I'm pulling back here. When I let go, I'm already grabbing second gear, so it makes it a lot easier. One of the things I did not do with this car is kind of show you. It is pretty much a full interior car for the most part. It even still has sound deadening down here, so that leaves me something to do here to take a little bit more weight out of the car is put the sound deadening. I mean, you have it right here under this seat, right here. We have it in the back. No, it's taken out of the back, but I mean, I think when I took it out the coupe, it was 20-ish, 24, 25 pounds, something like that. So that's 25 pounds right there. I'm gonna keep the door panels on the car. Have to find a glove box. Anybody have a glove box, please hit me up. I'm gonna paint this. I don't like the way it looks. Looks like it's a GSR style odometer or Momo steering wheel, detachable, easy quick release. Then he has some gauges in here that I'm going to need to change out. Also have some old safety harnesses I'm going to have to change out. Have to change the chute. This is back here. I'm going to have to do the same thing, get an updated battery. So yeah, the sound deadening is back here. I'll stand corrected. So there's weight still in this car I can pull out. And yeah, that's really it. It's I guess your run-of-the-mill hatch, but it's definitely something that's a little bit different from whatever, you know, anything I've ever done. Okay, so one of the things I need you guys to know is I've always been a Mustang guy. I think I've had, let me see, I had a 90 notch, my 03 Cobra, the 04 GT, which is Steph's now, used to be my car. I had a 95 GT as well, and I had a 2015 Mustang GT. So I've always had Mustangs my whole life. That's why I decided to do something different and building something kind of outside of what the norm is for me. I know it's crazy. If I don't like this, you know, I'll set it up for someone to have a really, really nice race car, and maybe we'll get to building something different. Even different from a Mustang. I don't think we'll stray too much further away. But yeah, it's just something different, and something I wanted to do for a while. Got the perfect opportunity, found the perfect shell, and we're gonna make it run real fast. So goal with the car is to go faster than the Cobra with less power, and really shock some people out there. So we'll see what happens with the car next year. No date as far as right now of when we're gonna be running the car, but hopefully it'll be sooner rather than later.